Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on how to buy a home with zero down payment in Northern Virginia. Did you know that as a veteran or active duty military member, you can buy a home with zero down payment in Northern Virginia through the VA loan program? This program is specifically designed to help eligible military members and veterans finance the purchase of their home with no down payment required. To be eligible for a VA loan, you need to be a veteran or active duty military member with a certificate of eligibility, also known as a CO. You can apply for a CO through the Department of Veterans Affairs. Once you have your CO, you can then apply for a VA loan through a lender approved by the VA. Owning a home with zero down payment has numerous benefits, including 1. Saving money up front for other expenses or investments. 2. Building equity faster. 3. Potentially lower monthly mortgage payments. 4. Avoiding private mortgage insurance, PMI. 5. Access to competitive interest rates. Here are a few tips for a successful zero-down home purchase in Northern Virginia. 1. Work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who is familiar with the VA loan program. 2. Get pre-approved for a VA loan before starting your home search. 3. Make a budget and stick to it. 4. Be prepared for the costs associated with homeownership, including closing costs, property taxes, and home insurance. In conclusion, buying a home with zero down payment in Northern Virginia through the VA loan program can be a great option for eligible military members and veterans. With the right preparation, support, and resources, you can successfully own your dream home. Thank you for watching this video on how to buy a home with zero down payment in Northern Virginia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 571-229-6877 or visit our site at www.jackjenkinshomes.com. We hope you found this video helpful and we wish you the best of luck in your home buying journey.